It's Christmas time, so I'm gonna show you how to build a rustic reindeer. Let's get it. First thing we're gonna do is walk back in the woods and find the perfect tree. All right, guys, so I think we found our tree. She did. So we're gonna crank this bad boy up and cut this thing down. We trying. There she go. All right, guys, we're going to proceed to cut out the body of the reindeer. All right, guys, so our body's right there. We're going to go ahead and cut a little bit off for our head. Let's do it. There's our head. Now we need a neck. All right, guys, we found the piece that we're going to use as our neck. So we're going to chop it off. Here's our neck. We got this old cedar tree here. We got one antler out of it. We're gonna see if we can't get us another. Ah! Let's see. Lord. Here's number two. Got our antlers now. All right, guys, so we're going to use this tree right here as our legs. I'm going to go ahead and just trim this little piece off and cut it up there somewhere. Drag it up there. We'll cut it with the miter saw. Let's do it. Here's our legs. Let's go. All right, guys, so now we're back in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and start trying to put this bad boy together. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna try our best here. Shout out to Bearded Viking, I got this idea from you. So this is gonna be our legs here. As you can tell, we got all of our body parts here on the table. But we're gonna go with 1-foot long legs. I don't even know if my pencil's gonna work with this. But we're going to try and mark something out here. At least tear some of that bark up or something. We'll go with that. We're going to head to the miter saw. Alright, guys, so we tested out our cutting method here. Got our first little leg. We're just going to eyeball this here. See. Okay, we need to be about right there with it. And just very slow, steady. with the saw stop. There we go, leg number 2. Alright guys, so we got our legs cut out, nice and dandy. Next thing we're going to do is drill some holes on the body here to put the legs in. We're going to see if we can't get a little clamp on this the best we can. That'll work. Just got a little inch hole bit here. There we go. I'm gonna come over here, do the same thing. Lost our bit. Okay. Move down here. Put another one. On there. Make sure we got them deep enough. There we go. Now, a couple of our legs might go ahead and fit in there nice. The other ones we're going to take to the belt sander. Just give them a quick little round up. And then we're going to put them in there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put on our legs that will fit. Just going to use a little mallet. Honestly, grab some wood glue. It's right here. Let me get that out of there. We're going to put some wood glue all the way down up in there. Some wood glue all around this. There we go. I think this one also fit too. I think she will. Put some wood glue. A little bit around there. There's our front 2 legs. And I think these are going to need a little bit of shaping, so we're going to show you how to do that on the band sander thing. That's all you got to do. Oh, first I got to turn on the power. There we go. Make sure you wear your dust mask when you do that. We failed, but it's learning, so let's do it. We got our legs shaped up. Go ahead and throw some glue down in them holes. Glue up on the legs. Mallet. A little glue right here. Mallet. And there's our body and our legs. She looks legit. Looks like she's ready to start running on that mug. So now we're gonna work on our neck. Figure out how to get that bad boy on here. Probably trim her down a little bit. And once we figure that out, we'll be right back. All right, guys. So now we're gonna try to attach the neck to the head. We're just going to take our drill, start a little hole. There we go. Take our bit. Line our hole up there. Just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to the sides here. Y'all want to make fun of me about my chair, but you can tell it's still been out on this porch though. But we ran out of screws, so we're going to come out here, steal a couple. That should be all we need. Alright guys, so now we're going to install our head here. Y'all don't judge him, he's got feelings too. I mean... There we go. Grab us a screw. Add some more screws to it. Look at that. She's sturdy. We're going to try to put a couple more screws. We'll be back with you. Alright guys, now we're going to add our antlers. Pick you a spot. Yep. Wood glue. Yes, sir. A little bit on there. Lord. Put you in there. There's one antler. Also, shout out to Circuit Solutions. We're going to go to this other side. We appreciate the shirt, brother. Right here. Same thing, glue. Luckily, these were pretty good fit. Let's see here. Look at Rudolph! Look at Rudolph! Look at Rudolph, bro! She's sturdy, bro! She's sturdy, bro! You see that? Yeah, Lord. She looked good. So, we're gonna go ahead and get her ready for the outro. I thought we was done, but we're really not. We gotta add the nose. So, we're gonna go about right here. Need to be a little bit bigger. We got the hole to be a little bit bigger. There it is. Now that's Rudolph. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is what she's looking like. That right there is a quick rusted Rudolph right there. Y'all guys, if you want to try it out, have fun with it. Like I said, it's Christmas time. Go out there in the yard, get you a few sticks, put them together, you might have Rudolph. That's what we got here. Merry Christmas to everybody. This is probably gonna be the last Christmas post of the year for us. Thank y'all so much for running up our last video. Absolutely perfect. That's pretty much viral for our channel, so we absolutely love it. Thank y'all for the support. Appreciate everybody out there hitting that sub button. If you're new, make sure you smash that sub button. Hit that post notification bell. And if you're interested in our latest video, go check it out. It's awesome. We turn a 1x2 into $100 easily. So go check that out. We appreciate everybody tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, that was sound definitely, but